This one off our second album, Last Star Falls, called Port Aladdin, which is a city in Yemen. Sound the beating of drums. Something has happened. Something's begun. Tremble in the soil underneath. People are quaking. People are meek. I'd write a letter, but no one would read it. And they see my face in the 9 o'clock news. Well, I'm just an image they don't want to live with. The story I'm telling just gives them the blues. No sound, the children don't speak. My children are hungry. My children are weak. They'll die. 12 of an old daily rag, one sold on the shelf. Someone will come, but we've nothing to give them. No hope of a hero without a reward. Well, conscience is just a word without meaning. When the pen is always destroyed by the sword. Dance away, close my